GETTYLeaky gut symptoms. The condition has been linked to Crohn's disease and celiac disease. Leaky gut syndrome is not yet an accepted condition in conventional medicine. However, it is said to be the link to serious illnesses such as arthritis, celiac disease, Crohn's disease and inflammatory bowel disease. According to the NHS, it is also suggested to be the cause of long-term conditions including chronic fatigue syndrome and multiple sclerosis. The syndrome describes conditions that are related to increased permeability of the intestines as in a leaky gut, said Dr. Devinder Garcha, a medical advisor at Bioco. www.bioco.com. GETTYLeaky gut symptoms. It is thought to be associated with food allergies and skin conditions. A leaky gut is seen in illnesses such as celiac disease and Crohn's disease. Dr. Devinder Garcha, a medical advisor at Bioco. This occurs when the cells lining the intestines are damaged and separate, creating gaps through which toxic substances can pass for the intestine into the bloodstream, triggering inflammation. A leaky gut is seen in illnesses such as celiac disease and Crohn's disease. It is thought that leaky gut syndrome is due to undigested food particles, bacterial toxins and germs passing through the leaky gut wall and into the bloodstream. This triggers the immune system and causes persistent inflammation throughout the body. This is said to be behind the following 5 health conditions. Food allergies. This is where the body's immune system reacts unusually to specific foods. According to the NHS, migraines are moderate to severe headache felt as a throbbing pain on one side of the head. It can also trigger symptoms such as nausea, vomiting and increased sensitivity to light or sound. Thursday, May 18, 2017. GETTYLeaky gut symptoms. Gluten can be a problem for sufferers. Tiredness and chronic fatigue. Extreme tiredness could be associated with leaky gut syndrome. Asthma, common lung condition, causes occasional breathing difficulties. Skin conditions. Eczema and scleroderma, a condition causing hard, thickened areas of skin, could be linked to leaky gut syndrome. According to Garcha, reducing intake of particular foods could help your gut heal. Gluten is a hard-to-digest protein that should be avoided by leaky gut sufferers. He said, it is known to induce the release of a protein called zonulin, which directly contributes to intestinal permeability. Refined sugar should also be avoided, since it feeds the growth of bad bacteria that prevent healing of the damaged gut. GETTYLeaky gut symptoms. It is thought to contribute to tiredness and chronic fatigue syndrome. Garcha also recommended increasing intake of fermented and easily digestible foods, as well as taking probiotics. Fermented foods such as sauerkraut, kefir, natural yogurt and kimchi are rich in beneficial bacteria, explained Garcha. These are essential in helping to fix a leaky gut through a variety of means. They help to balance the pH of the stomach and intestines, thus limiting growth of bad bacteria. Other useful foods include easily digestible foods such as non-starchy vegetables, as well as healthy fats like avocados, which help with gut healing. Probiotic supplementation, particularly with a multi-strain probiotic such as Bioco with 14 strains of live bacteria, at this stage may also be beneficial. He explained they prevent bad bacteria from taking hold in the gut, reduce the level of toxins, help break down food, and assist with maintaining an intact intestinal barrier. GETTYLeaky gut symptoms. Easily digestible foods like avocado can help, says an expert. The NHS currently describe leaky gut syndrome as a proposed condition due to lack of evidence. They also stimulate mucus production to add a protective mucus layer above the intestinal lining, and help to modulate the immune system to reduce the inflammatory response. They state, while it's true that some conditions and medications can cause a leaky gut, what scientists call increased intestinal permeability, there is currently little evidence to support the theory that a porous bowel is the direct cause of any significant, widespread problems. Dr. Rajendra Sharma, who specializes in ecological medicine, spoke to express.co.uk earlier this about why the conditions should be recognized by the medical community. He said it is still not a medically recognized condition despite many medical and scientific papers establishing connection between intestinal hyperpermeability and various conditions.